Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Takenori Hara from DNP, Dai Nippon Printing, a Japanese company. So today, I'd like to talk about autonomous avatar for customer service training VR system. So at first, I will talk about customer service training VR system. So this is a system that the trainee dives into the virtual world and conduct customer service training with virtual customers. So like this. So sorry, the dialogue is in Japanese in this time. So this is a diagram of VR training system production process. So orange box is automatic process, gray box is manual process. So first, we do 3D modeling. So generate training facility, so avatar and avatar's movement. So next, we do the authoring. So write training scenario, write avatar's dialogue, synthesize speech, and so program avatar movement. During training, so avatar execute a pre-programmed movement. So as you can see, authoring process is mostly manual. So it means we have to work very hard. So especially these two processes required a lot of human resources. That means production cost will rise. To address cost problem, we are challenging of reducing production costs by automating this process. So this one and this one. So in addition, we must prepare all patterns of avatar behavior in advance. So then we are trying to reduce production cost by making the authoring process in real time like this. So I will explain the automatic generation of dialogue and emotions. So we use large language models to generate dialogue and emotion with various patterns according to the scenario automatically. So actually, we also use RAG. RAG is a technology that tells customer service specific knowledge to LLM. So this generates only dialogue related to customer service. So this is a sample prompt. We prompt service scenario like this. So you are a guest of the hotel. You have just arrived at your room, so guided by the staff. And you want to complain, so because it is not the room you have reserved. And we ask LLM to generate emotion like this. So you should converse as an emotional being with 4 emotional parameters. The output should be in the following format. So here is the emotional parameters. So joy, 0 to 5, and anger, sadness, confused. So we are considering how many types of emotions are appropriate. So in the case, we use 4 parameters. So this is the results of generate dialogue and emotion and trainee's response. So for example, so this is a generated customer avatar's dialogue. So I'm sorry to inform you that this is not the room I reserved. I'm very disappointed as I did not expect this room at all. So could you please call a manager or supervisor, blah, blah, blah. So in this case, so emotion is joy is 0, so anger is 4, sadness is 3, confused is 2. And here is a trainee's response. We are very sorry that your room was not what you reserved. So please wait a moment so we can call a supervisor to take care of so blah, blah, blah. So then customer avatar so reply, so yes, we will wait. However, I think this kind of mistake should be so blah, blah, blah. And then here is another so emotions. So as you see, so interactions between trainees and customer avatars looks natural. So also the generated emotions also look correct. So in this case, customer anger has decreased. We think the trainee's dialogue can be evaluated as good. So in other words, automatic evaluation of training may be possible. So however, we only test our system in our lab. So we has not been tested in the field. So its usefulness is unclear. We are currently preparing for a field test with our customer and would like to report on the results in next workshop. And this is a result of the generate dialogue script with various patterns. So as you see, the same prompt can generate many different dialogue. So conventional VR training system had the problem of trainees getting bored. So because customer avatars always spoke the same dialogue, but we can address this problem to use our system. So next, I will explain the automatic programming of avatar action. So first, the system selects emotion. The system simply selects the largest emotion. In this case, it is anger. So next, the system selects a gesture tagged with anger. So we generated multiple gestures for each emotion in advance and select them randomly. So then the system synthesizes speech with emotion. In this case, it is anger mood. So finally, the avatar speaks with an angry gesture, so like this.
I am sorry to inform you that this is not the room I reserved.
So unfortunately, so it was difficult to run the authoring process in real time. So because we need about 5 seconds to generate dialogue, so using LLM, and we also need about 4 seconds to synthesize speech. It is painful for training due to the long waiting time. So in the future, we would like to try to generate training scenario automatically. And we also try to evaluate the trainee's response automatically. So in this way, customer service training can be conducted almost automatically. So this is our goal. And so this means that if our customer updates or renews the customer service, then the VR training contents can be updated automatically, so like this. So in conclusion, we have reduced production cost to generate dialogue, script, and emotion with various patterns according to the scenario automatically. So we have enabled free conversation between customer avatars and training. So, but unfortunately, so real-time authoring is painful due to the long waiting time. So that's all. Thank you.